Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I wanted to help Launch India based at Ahmedabad, Gujarat of their car scanner products and their services from whom I bought my particular scanner from launch in 2017. Way back in 2017, I guess it was in the month of March. Reason I am uploading this video is because they failed in their services promised to me after they sold the product to me, and would never give a satisfying answer to any of my questions regarding be it regarding DTCs or the way I should proceed with the code. Nor in my mind do they have potential support services with knowledge in theory of operation of car switches, solenoids, relays, fuses, regulators, sensors, or actuators. No wonder launch by itself is a good product. I definitely agree with it, and I guess many people will say yes to me in that regard. However, the end user is a mechanic who in India may not have sufficient knowledge about electricals or electronics of a car. Yet they have a very good car workshop earning lots of money. Now, Launch offered me 1 year of free technical support in electrical wirings, which they could not, and 3 years of free software update, which yes they did, and 1 year of product warranty. And as you all know, I have said I bought it in 2017, and now today is the 27th April 2021. So I don't have any concerns as far as my issue I had long time back with launch. Now I don't have any problem today. I had the issue right from the time I bought the scanner from them, and I tried to call them. They answered my call, but they could not solve my problem because, boldly I would say, they did not have not even minimal knowledge about the workings of sensors, and they did not have any kind of wiring diagrams at hand with them. All they had was some pictures of where the solenoid or the sensor lives. A mechanic would definitely know, you need not tell him. All he might need at that time, or for a newbie, is to get an information as to where the DLC terminal lives. That kind of help maybe a poor mechanic might need, nor even I needed sometimes. And of course, launch was not able to help me in that also in the beginning stages. Now, actually, I paid 1,53,750 online, and prior to that, I met with an agent. I flew to Bangalore from Visakhapatnam, met the agent in Bangalore. The agent is kind enough to pick me up from airport. He is Mr. Samju, very nice person. Launch must be happy to have a person like him. And once the deal was done or talked about, or then whatever negotiations I could negotiate, I have paid him as a token advance 15,000, which was a bank transfer I made on the same day to Launch India. And then later on, I returned home and then made the remaining payment online for 1,53,000. So in total, it costed me 1,68,750 rupees. I was happy about it because I know about the scanners. I have enough knowledge about the circuitry, and I am an automobile enthusiast. I have taken up a course in automotive technician certificate course way back in some other country when I was there for some other studies. So yes, I do have enough knowledge about all the sensor and these scanners as well. That's the reason I was able to go for such a large payment, even though my workshop was not earning that much income. Okay. Now in the market, I have recently suggested one of my mechanic friends to go for another, I would say, quote, another launch product, which was actually costing him 30,000 Indian rupees only, which performs the same way as my scanner does. And all he needed was good support from somebody, because he did not purchase it from launch directly, and I have suggested him. He was depending on me, and I was glad to give him all the information that I could in order to support him, so that he would be able to go ahead with the business he has. And all the functions, of course, were the same. Probably he may not have an update, and definitely whoever sold him would give an update. And recently I heard from the same mechanic that yes, he was getting the update as well. It was all done something aftermarket people do something, probably that is not right, but still he bought it for 30,000. I was there to support him in every respect. Surprisingly, within 1 month's time, he got all the money he invested in that particular instrument within 1 month. Whereas for me, I guess it might take some more time, or maybe a long time. This should definitely throw a red mark in Launch India office, I guess located at Ahmedabad, at least now. Today I just received, I guess it's a WhatsApp message from the highest authority in Ahmedabad regarding a webinar about these launch products, and they wanted to continue, or they have started a YouTube, I would say YouTube postings, and they wanted to give support. In heartfelt, my heartfelt suggestion to them is, please do have good, knowledgeable, helping minded service personnel sitting at the desks in the service office at your Ahmedabad branch, maybe. That would help anybody buying a launch scanner from you. No doubt, worldwide, not even a single scanner can cover all the cars available on the market, but some scanners are good for some cars, and probably Launch is the very best scan tool of all the other scanners. And in India, yes, it does a very good job. No issues in that. I don't have anything to say against the product itself. All I have, my concern about the launch services is they do not have sufficient knowledge. I repeat, they do not have sufficient knowledge to help any mechanic that they approached in order to get some help. They would not get it, for sure. You people have to improve upon it. And you should be able to provide with relevant wiring diagrams of the particular vehicle that the mechanic has called you about, and you should be able to guide him as to what the code means and where to check and what wire to check and for what. And if you go by the service manual, they would ask you to remove the sensor. They will ask you to check the resistance of the sensor. That would not work. I will post some other videos. I will try to post 1 or 2 videos to help launch personnel to know what kind of information that they should have at hand to help any mechanic who calls for a support. So yes, I will do that. And without the wiring diagrams, you will not be able to solve any issue or any problem concerning a code. and you will not be able to leave the mechanic with a thanksgiving heart. They will always curse you, for sure. And if you are able to give this kind of support, that I'm trying to post a wiring diagram. Also, even I have posted a wiring diagram in my WhatsApp message when I was talking to one of the launch personnel on phone, and for some reason, I guess they have neglected my advice or my complaint, whatever you may call it. So your product will earn a lot of money to the mechanic only when you provide sufficient information about the wiring diagrams, and you should have the wiring diagrams with you at hand. You may not give the wiring diagram to the mechanic, but you should be able to guide him through the what I would say is analysis of the circuit. When some code says some alphabetical, some P, X, 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 4 digits, if the circuit says it is open or closed or plausible or shorted or high voltage, whatever, you should be able to let him know as to what exactly has happened even before going into the wiring diagram. And then once you go back to the wiring diagram, you should be able to pinpoint to the mechanic as to what exactly went wrong. That's when more people will buy. I'm sure many people, I guess mechanics in tens of thousands of mechanics would buy once you start giving this kind of support. And I'm glad I made this video today, just because you're trying to sell product, good for you. But if you're trying to sell the product alone without any support, you're no better off than any other distributor or manufacturer online who say we will provide every support, but 100% they fail, and they really cheat the customers this way. So let's hope for the best from launch. And I wanted to see as to what kind of information they are going to provide on the webinar. I gave my name and my number, and definitely I'll try to help in whichever respect or in my capabilities to launch, provided they do not lie, right? And one more thing, and I am from Andhra, from Visakhapatnam, and I have little knowledge about Hindi. Spoken Hindi, I am not well versed with. And whoever calls from launch, they want me to talk in Hindi. अरे भाई, ये लॉन्च का सब इंग्लिश में है, आप तो मेरे से हिंदी में बात करने को कोशिश कर रहे हो, ये क्या है? आप तो ज़रा इंग्लिश सीख लो. World is one now. You got to boot up. And if you want to, or if you want me to speak in Hindi, I will definitely try my best. And I'll not only trying, I'll improve myself. Unfortunately, launch has not improved on their English. Whatever is showing on the launch product, it is in English, man. भाई वो इंग्लिश में है, हिंदी में नहीं है. इंग्लिश में समझ में आने के बाद मैकेनिक से हिंदी में बात करो. यू आर ट्राइंग टू ट्रांसलेट एवरीथिंग इनटू हिंदी in whichever form you assume is right. That is not correct. It will be like me talking in Hindi. And at the Delhi airport, when we ask a policeman in any corner of the Delhi airport in any other language, and if he knows that you are an Indian, he would say, "आप Indian है क्या? Indian नहीं है क्या?" That means he expects us to talk in Hindi. Great, because we are Indians. But that bloody person who talks like that, he talks in English to a foreigner. Why is that? So this is a wrong mythology we have. We have to change that. Launch has to change that. Hope I have given enough information for the improvement of launch, so that they'll be able to provide better service to persons like me. I'll be glad to buy another product, provided they have good service information with them. So Do take this video or the comments or whatever speech I have given today as a good thing to improve upon launch services. I have nothing against launch, but yes, I have spent 1,78,000. You all have a good day. Thank you.